Hi! So obviously today's video is going to be a couple tutorials actually using this bitch because oh my god, like, I mean, so honestly I don't actually know Amrezy. Like, I obviously, her highlight is my favourite highlight on the planet. So I know that's good and I know I like that one. I know I love that, and obviously it's by Anastasia as well. So I thought, I didn't doubt her eyeshadow palette one bit. So I got it, and to be fair I really like the colours in it as well. Obviously if I didn't like the colours and I didn't think I'd use it, obviously wouldn't have bought it. But I did, and I'm really glad that I got it because the formula is the best Anastasia palette and their formula that I've ever used. I love it so much. So I've done two looks obviously using this palette. So this is look number one. Obviously it's the more outgoing one, but when you have this palette you can't not do something like this. But also I just wanted to show that you can literally do everyday looks with this. There's so many nice like warm brown mattes that I really love, and then I've done like a gold like smoky eye as well. So that's look number two. So yeah, I hope you enjoy this video, and yeah, let me know which one is your favourite look. Wearable wise, I think I would wear the second one a lot more, but this one is just, this was really fun, and I feel like I haven't done like a bold cut crease kind of thing in a while. So yeah, I kind of like both of them. So yeah, I think that's all I have to say. So yeah, if you want to see how I did two of these looks, then subscribe if you want to, give the video a thumbs up as well, and just keep watching. We're going all Barbie for this first look. So obviously this is what we're going for. I've been using this. I used this for the other look as well, but this came through with the palette, which I think was pretty cool. It's the Anastasia eye primer. Not gonna lie, I have been applying it with my finger because I did honestly think it was just gonna be clear. I don't know why. I just thought it was gonna be a clear primer, but it's not. It's kind of like the P. Louise one where it's kind of like a nude kind of colour, I guess. Like, it's like that. You also don't need a lot. That is far too much, but I still haven't learned clearly. So yeah, I don't know how I feel about this as a primer. It doesn't go sticky. It just kind of smooths your eyelid. Let's get into it. So obviously here's the palette. How cool is that? I mean, it's not my vibe, but I know it's very Amrezy, so not complaining. But honestly, like, look at that. We're gonna start off with this dark purple shade. It looks a bit scary, but there isn't really any light crease colors for like a pink, but you'll see like how easily it just blends out. So that's why I keep going in with this big fluffy brush. It's a Morphe one, and I just keep kind of blending that out just so it looks like I've kind of got like a lighter shade underneath, but it's really literally just this purple. Right, I'm gonna go back in with that clean brush, and like you can just see like how this just kind of blends out like around the edges, and it just kind of looks like you've got like a light pink in the crease, and I love that. So like that's why it doesn't bother me that there is no like light like pinky or like peachy transition colour, because you've got it all in one. So honestly, like I'm obsessed with this palette. I actually love it. Become one of my favourite eyeshadow palettes ever. It's actually the only Anastasia palette I have now. I got rid of the Modern Renaissance just because, I don't know, the formula I feel like is a lot different to this. This is like chef's kiss to this formula. I think it's different. I don't know if it is, but everything just seems to blend a lot nicer. Okay, then I was a bit daring. I don't usually do this, but I thought, you know what? Let's just do it. So I took the shade Reezy, which obviously is a shimmery pink, and I actually put this in the crease as well. I use it kind of on the outer corner as well. You'll see that a bit later on. But yeah, I just kind of buffed this into the crease as well, and I actually ended up liking how it looked. I'm going to go back in with that dark purple again and just kind of deepen out the outer corner a little bit. Okay, Okay, then I'm gonna just cut the crease, and I did actually use the primer, the Anastasia one, so that's what I'm just gonna use here. And I'm just gonna take my finger, I always do this, and just kind of blend the corner eyeshadow kind of in it, just so it doesn't look harsh, because we don't want that. And you've kind of done a bit of blending work as well. Okay, I'm gonna start to deepen up the outer corner again, so I'm just gonna take the purple again. No, that one again. And I'm gonna kind of blend this. Just so it goes to like a nice little gradient, like that, and then I'm gonna put the lid shades down in a second. Right, so I'm going to take the shade Anastasia, and I'm going to use this as a base for the glitter that I'm going to put on top of it. Look wasted as well, this one here. This one is probably the only powdery shade, I'd say. Like, it's a bit powdery, so I just kind of wet it a bit, because it has like a bit of glitter in it as well, but it's fine. I just kind of... So I kind of bring that up to meet Anastasia. Then for the glitter, I used Barb. I just use this to top over the center of the lid. I then went in with the black, this BK shade here. Just put this right at the edge of the eye and kind of winged it out a little bit. And then I just took this brush that I used for the purple. I didn't use any extra product, and I just used that to blend out the black. And it kind of gives you a nice smoky liner situation. Okay, and then of course the little lash line. We're taking Leo, which is the blue, and I'm just gonna pop this on the lower lash line. I also find it so interesting that like she picked blue, or she chose the name Leo for the blue, because usually obviously Leos are, you know, they're ruled by the sun, so I would have thought maybe an orange, but she went with the blue, which I think, I mean, the blue is so nice. It's a really nice shade. Okay, there we go. Right, so let's just do the eyeliner and stuff. I'm just gonna whiz through the eyes quickly. So this is it. This is the first look. So I hope you enjoyed this one. Obviously this is the more outgoing one. This is the very Barbie pink one. But I mean, when you have this palette, how can you not? You know? So yeah, I hope you like this look. Let me know what you think of it. Let me know if you prefer this one or the next one. So yeah, thank you for watching this bit, and enjoy the second look. Okay, that's it. So that's it for the video. I know I'm back to this, but I forgot to film the outro when I did the other look. So anyway, here we're back again looking like this. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video. Yeah, let me know which was your favourite look out of the two. I would love to know. Let me know if you have this palette as well, because oh my god, I actually love it. So yeah, that is it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. Give the video a thumbs up if you did enjoy it, and I'll see you in my next video.